Frosty Friendship on Snowy Trails. In the days of yore, and a distant and wintry land, lived two young souls, Winter and Frosty, who were the best of friends. They resided amidst snowy trails, icy lakes, and white forests. Each day, these two friends warmed their hearts with smiles, and their bond was built upon trust and sincerity. They never told lies to each other, for the foundation of their friendship was based on trust. Winter strived to be a good person, offering help and treating others with love and understanding. Frosty, on the other hand, exuded happiness and enthusiasm. Spreading joy wherever they went. Together, they faced all challenges, always supporting each other in times of need. One day, Winter found themselves falling in love with a beautiful and mysterious foreign girl named Aurora. New feelings stirred in their heart, but they hesitated to share this with Frosty. Not wanting to hurt their dear friend, however, Frosty sensed the change in Winter and cared deeply for their happiness. One evening, Winter couldn't contain their emotions any longer and confided in Frosty about Aurora. Frosty understood the complex feelings their friend was experiencing and decided to provide unwavering support. "I'll do everything I can for your happiness, my friend," they said. "Love sometimes emerges unexpectedly, filling your heart with joy. Don't deny it, for your happiness means the world to me." With Frosty's understanding and encouragement, Winter mustered the courage to express their feelings to Aurora. Aurora responded with sincerity and warmth, and their bond quickly grew stronger. The trio spent time together, sharing advice and empowering each other to face life's challenges. As time passed, Aurora came to understand and wholeheartedly accept the friendship between Winter and Frosty. Together, the three of them created beautiful memories and spread kindness wherever they went. Their wintry homeland became even more enchanting with the power of their friendship and shared happiness. Lesson of the story. This tale emphasizes that genuine friendship thrives on trust and sincerity. Not lying to one another and offering unwavering support are the cornerstones of lasting companionship. Moreover, experiencing new emotions such as love is natural in life, and with the support of true friends, these experiences become more meaningful. Being a good person and approaching life with love and understanding enriches our own lives and positively impacts those around us. Together, in the snowy trails of our friendships, we can create cherished memories and journey towards happiness.